chord. Let's talk about the F chord. It stops a lot of people from playing a lot of songs in the beginning of their guitar playing. And how they teach it to you, they try to teach it as the first chord in which you bar strings, and that's difficult. And they try to teach you to play it like this at the beginning, and that's your first movable shape. But I'm gonna start with this. We're not gonna play it like this, but we're gonna start with this shape, which is F bar chord. Okay, because we're gonna, even when you're playing this one, you're still playing out of this shape. And your root is here on the first fret, and you also have a root note on the high E. So the easiest way to play the F is this way. The reason why F is important is because G and C are kind of guitar friendly chords, and F goes with that trio of chords. Another kind of easy way to play it is to involve your pinky. So you take your pinky and play that stair step shape, and then you place your ring finger on the A string at the 3rd fret and play it like this. And that's how a lot of people play it, and so there's nothing wrong with playing it this way. So like, let's do that song, I Can't Feel My Face. G, F, A minor. That's the lesson. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.